Okuakani, Ekoma, na Pando Heart of Lions, and therefore Bekaya, Omonoma, Masia, Satikotoko, Katoko, Womanama Kotoko, Amopium, and you saw with yourself Okuakani, what is that first legend? Kotokura, Ebremu, Ekoma, Pando Heart of Lions, Kabakwa, Womatinati, it's a Pando Heart of Lions, Wakopona Napre, Sakrodon, and the Brandon Tapia, and the Beckley. I see what that's posted as a venue of attraction. I see what that's posted as a venue of attraction. Who get me for poor, and for the young cartel. About your Emmanuel Jan, what people want to get now to Dabi. Next to Dabi, to nobody in particular. Bono, Etina Fosu South Sobia, and Farmer the Champion Club, and the Makoto Kuroyas. Bono, Etina Fosu South Sobia, and Farmer the Champion Club to Kuroyas.
Inkai 93.3 FM Sports Commentary Emuta
Company Limited, Company Limited, Ebano, and Java that is study, what I now for people at Japatia, they can put their buying a Casanabi and the Jamal, who's a combination bay, and other Java Kupado, and Yasia, they have put their buying the Christo Philippi, and one of Piato, and one at Portima, and the one of Pia, what to make my Yapa, so to press on the Papono, that one has that be. One of the class of him, one of my point, A2. The champion of Pando Heart of Lions, a Pratia Bono, Quatipon, and a fucking Bono, with the Quat Bono, Elgram, why the Putabor so, Yamato the pressure, so Pando Heart of
93.3 FM Sports Commentary Emuta
I brought here from somewhere Amwa, a Pimbon floor, that's a soul, but to Kula so that maintaining the pressure, one more so, one out of that, one pressure to him, Theatre, I've got to put money down, one when you bought it for, they go to buy any of it now again. When you have brought your phone for Tipon, one with Tipon now, a farm of Paku Janja, more people, and what do you buy? I've got your phone, the Lions, that's Daffy, Mustafa, fantastic.
Inkai FM commentary, Emuta rough.
Oh, Kunumaya Tia, Papa. Oh, Kunumaya Tene.
Inkai 93.3 FM Sports Commentary Emuta
Bando out of plans for Ponoma to press a year, Papa. Tell me this Akano, a branch of Pasupon, and Emmanuel Jan for Ponoma hunting. It's a second to put it as the Thomas in the start of Kunyamaye. Mustafa Mohammed, while you talk about him, fantastic for Tokoya to Posua Kepa, when you bought it there, Papa, one of the Japanese, Rapto Jam, I am Blankley, I am Kumate. Rapid Blankley Akumate, or to get a kind of fire. Rapid so far so good, Mano, and to find your planning. The money is so far so good. So what does near Slamo? One more teaching the Bataniano, Musum Betina Baba Japoma, Musum Betinaba, it's a persona, the chances of Kotopus, and the Palapano, Yapiamo. I was 2 years and now I can't lie on some to be near. That's your first of all, Crystal Palace, what economy, you know. I'm a Crystal Palace, that's the Canada. It's young persona, and that's 400 and 20 more. And then it's Gambian eventually. I came out that was a venue of attraction. So now get me for 4 person in your pattern. Get me for 4 person in your pattern. Yeah, that's a Bia Betmia. Yeah, that's a Kotuku Ayatana. If it's not Betty, the virginity of the Gemana. And I said that the American Italian eventually. American Italian eventually. J. Bani Company Limited. J. Bani Company Limited. I feel the wrapping up on a plane. Lucky Flankly, Osu, Papanapé, Lucky Flankapate, Papajan, Tete, Bonabum, one of the Kupana Center, it's a Kolumu Panai, to go to Bonapro, I got one and one, Sona, go to class to portray the poor, or the Bona to people, a bunch of Papuja, or the Bona people, or Sabrate, I follow, can't come to Tampi, can come at Yanko, one of the people, a bunch of Pacipo, or the Bonabum, every man with Jan, Jan and the Bona for the problem to, so, Banu out of Banako. No, to Dapi. A propria from Samanamwa, which now for Ponako, Sona, Bando out of Plans, and in a Kutukana, Bando out of Plans, and in a Kutukana, and a Soda, Kutukan just as a Pono, a propria Pano, Kakasaban, or the Bona Kupi, no Kenya, a propria. Now to Dabi to nobody in particular.
Inkai 93.3 FM Sports Commentary Emuta
25, and more than 4 venue of attraction. It's damaging to your provoke for quarry. Because you might have one of champion Joshua Janim, then Kopia 3, independent candidate for Pono, also President Placamoda, also President Studios of Mankind. Yes, Kapunta, Yapanisa, Yakasi Yabaniapa, Yapaniapa, the Piovian KFM, Ugramo, our Patabi, Ubergramo, our Ayatesa, Ubergramo, Ugramo Patabi, our Tessa, Akimwati, Ugramo, our Patan the P, other Patim Quadro, Achase, Abegramo, Aquabesa, the Pia, and Kano Piati. I cannot be that's the best. The press commentary. I want him kind of 3.3 son. We for ball first in our term. Referee Franklin Akumate. But you chose to Petia, one out of plans, Joe Watney, Luffy, upon a bed, Joe Watney, Bakubia Mesa.
I can't FM commentary. With the whole
for ball first in our term. A pin wanted to nobody in particular. To nobody in particular, so no, fan out of Lions, a branch of Fano, Manuel Dan, a pin wanted to entertain, anyone for Nancy Japi, photograph 30 Bono, fan out of Class to Casey. Bona is going affairs, Bona Press of Southampton, Ayatari, I want to see you for 150. I have been done affairs, a Pana Baha, the Jabba Pia, one and enough. That's the son of the push heavy, Pando out of Lions HB, who gives you nice and Sona Satis and Unicacra, that's the son is 25, it's Rafi Frank Lakumati, with Jamia for 1 Puta, the champion for the 1 2 people, North Bracket, the Frank Cesarito Paputia, Nelson Japi, what a play, for Tukuria, Thomas Bono, and the Father Paso, Yampa Bono, Kokayampa, and the Bonipa, or Jacobi Nelson Japi. Goalkeeper Emmanuel Okori, fantastic goalkeeper by all standards. Bando Ekoma, Heart of Lions, goalkeeper.
I can't FM commentary. With the whole rough.
One other group, I have the conference on the center circle. It's a Korean Panya. So, Bando out of the body for Bakumi Rumeta, Homogram, Nasujapi, Kotokuaya, watch the defender, a branch from Mohamed Nuru, or so Makai or Bankapa, or Peter the Bando out of the Nasujapi, or Peter Bando, a branch from someone Ama, Nasujapi. What the clearance to put up in one of the Panya, to put out more than just a pupil on the center circle, a branch of Pano, one on the body for one of them, Kofi, Yampai, but just at the circle, to put up 1 to the Yasma, or Peter one to take out to the view, one of the tries, just pick up.
I can't FM commentary. With the whole rough.
What a play, what a miss. A Pratana Mr. Pono. What a chance. What a chance. Kotokuna was to the Yasma. Let's go, Clement, and for Panamia Japi. What will you get? A branch of Ponogassi, Clement, I will only Clement Watson, then Kofi Stephen, and Sophia Yamba. Now what will you get? Manasu Japi. One at the Alpha Sobia, and former the champion club. A former founder of the Flyers. Son objective for ball first in young term, and 93.3. And 93.3. Yamiarma Sunday, Ghana version of First Classico. Yamiarma Sunday, Ghana version of First Classico. And Yamiarma Saturday, or that version of First Classico. And Adjusting your stars versus Power Empty. That's the way I'm saying to you. About what you for sports job. And we are that version of First Classico. And Yamiarma Sunday, Ghana version of First Classico. It is an answer to you. And now some kids blah. You can wait there, big matches excellent. Just so you know where you're from. One is the champion of the Korea, or you have brought here, every planet of the current one, or the one of the Super, Planet Awano, what you say, and for one of Popo, for Peter Monte, and one of Plago, what you say, for the Korea is moving the ball. Go because of Kuwaya, and Matiano and Popo, for Peter Monte, one of your Nakodabi. Now to W of that sale, one of one. Rafi Franklin Akumate. What a game. We are witnessing a fantastic game by all standards. I came out of a venue of attraction. We play for ball first in your game.
I can't FM commentary. With the whole rough.
Kotukura is band out of NKB. Okunumaya Junior Papa. Okunuma Yetene, and now Akala and set 3 veneer, if you're proposing here, Pano Mukomanim, it's almost 53 points out, and for 53 points out, Tamayu out 49 points, Kotukuraya for 44. It is a set here, Okunuma Yetene, and the second to start the song to come home, and the second to start the song to come home, it's not there for 44, Tamayu for 49, Sasana Akala for 53 points. They say a 2 million I can't. Let it look one day. Over past to get so for the player of Pedamano, a black person, that's not Japi. Fantastic standard. One at the opposite of Soviet Farmer, Accra, Bando out of Lions. Radiabe Timono. Now we have right away. Victor Hiapo. No one another team way and what just Timidama Randiabi. One more friend, Efoma, Bando out of Lions, one chance and took us for 2001. Now, put a local town, your front coach, or Jack and King. Abako se woni aye dima wana no ye. Once again, prepare for quarry. Jam this war. They don't have a pia and kind of the pia. Yes, it's a fair. You're Sona, you could trade the ball. One of them, let the very two for Pia, what one of the two, Clement and what to say, what was to play on, or second and watching. Now to Bakuyan was death Jappy. A black of just watching the play. What a mix. For to put out the pop on watch a ball. Once again. To put out El passes near Papa, where I am empty basta in Yasta Zabi. A branch of Makiramo, where to put one channel not put away. Now Mercy Suarasimo, name also El Commande, and El Darwin Abba, which is Victoire, a branch I am front of Justin Wake, Sophia Yamba, Sophie Stephen, can come Stephen, which are branch of a Yakanata or your Clement Guatemo, Polomo Bonamonte, our parking to be, that to find out of plans from Mataba. One more Mataba. Okunma Yepa, and Power Yatupia, the champion Capoturia, a Black Ebenezer, and the Japon, Yama Tobetia Japono, and Yamapando out of Planza. Yake, Ebenezer Yampo. And so, after Madame President of our country, Pietri for poor 39 terms, and your critica, left with them, frankly, Akmati, while you picking the Chapo to Kuroya, Ebenezer and the Jam, Yake. Yake Ebenezer Japona. Yampo.
I can FM commentary with the whole rough.
The fantastic goalkeeper by all standards. Atepa Senior Secondary School, I want to play with 4-2. Atepa Senior Secondary School, I want to goalkeeper Moyo, I want to go 2. It's when you born it, tell you, papa. When you born it, tell you, papa. So I came out sports at the venue of attraction. We are doing for first in non pattern. Or before we damage this war. If before we damage this war, just talk about any matter of sports. Oh, here open to Yamaha. Young question, Bando out of flyers. Polo Kutukana for.
Inkai 93.3 FM Sports Commentary. Emuta
Company Limited. J-Bani Company Limited. Atemoda, yani commercial bank in the opposite. Mr. Kona Kope Akatani Bito, Master 20 Batuto, for Biblani Peppa, Master, one year was today, one War, now here, about here, now for Bibladi Japa, almost all one, now company, but what J-Bani Akatani, now Empao, now to Ethnic and Mao, and Yapano. Mustafa Mohamed Atibon Pepe, the Kipando out of plans for us, as Ataman to pressure, Nelson Chappie, fantastic goalkeeper by all standards. Goalkeeper Moyo, Pakimbo Mabona up, Fanatica Monfetia, the champion club, Kotokuroya, Ujanga Kotokuroya, and then almost in interview. Dansana, Jima, your friend, out of plans to Tuesday.
I can FM commentary with the whole rough.
To nobody particular. Fantastic player. The first finisher in football sector, the background out of Lions. Up to Mohamed Musa. Wakangi Bonuma, Pona, Professor Sobia Farmer, Bando out of Lions. A black them, I have the first finisher, I'm a Bando out of Lions. Up to Mohamed Musa. Wakangi Bonuma, Pona, our Professor Sobia Farmer, and Puma Bando out of Lions. So now,
93.3 FM Sports Commentary. Emuta
Papa. Kotokura can have 2 points way. As the second to put him into 3 points, you know. It's also to be Jabby Yaki. One to be Jabby Yaki. Kotokunye, as the second to put him to come. 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 As the second performance to me come. It's just 3 points way. Yanya Papa. The point is no matter Tadini. So now, Bono, who gets me to me, Bando out of Lions, what the one at what the one of Bono Plato, Bando out of Lions, anybody for a black for Rahim, or Peter Boniface, or you can black fellow, and a manager to Tappy. A black here, I found Quatipon, what you want to say, one of the players of Panafo, a black here, I am Fano, I am Polenki, that's Tappy. But let's put one of one of us to Papa. The champion club Kotoku Royals, Colin Chibono Bueno, and now for Pobiam, now for Sobian Mama, Alpha Kotokulas, Papeda Bonitete, one across the Paco. Nasidaki.
93.3 FM, sports commentary, and
the champion club and out of Lions. Referee Plantly Akumati, Papeda Nitete, Referee Beneza, Papeda Nitete, Patipon Nasidaki. Noja Brantier, I am Prono. Samuel Amoa, Nepidemi, Samuel Amoa, Bonako, one of the Yabrante, Evan Covisame, 1 to 3, 1 to 3, 1 to 4, Covisame, 1 to 3, well, what to born it, and one of them, Nepidemi, a branch for the Beneza, but Pim one of the Panay. Sona to control the game. One much more. I want to say Kofi. How much more to focus on the center sector. Kofi Yamba. One job that for Joe Watney. Not to be. What a game. A branch for Clement. Another one. But the 1 or 250. What a game. What a game. What Peter wants to say not to be. What a system. What a process. What a creativity. What a creativity. Attacking with that sponsored job. We'll be for Paul Person number 10. Ebeneza. One job blank here. I am Prono. Samuel Uso. Peter wants to say. And one of them. One job blank here. I am Prono. What a game. What a game. And one not to be. Not to be.
93.3 FM, sports commentary, and Mutaha.
So now, the virginity of the game to be pretty here. Appear to be for professional number 10 of the Pope Bukware, and it's not just war. It's 20 years. If you're going to get yet, then I'm going to get you. What the way is there, and said I know good, and I'm associated football, and society and the panel. Yaba de Yaba. But to Kura, the woman was the Yaba, Yaba, Yaba. Never put it at 1 of them. I was to put it up. I'm not for the Manuchan. Nothing to be. Nothing to be. What I have been done affairs, a Pana. Acquire of my afternoon. Ayatari. And so now, we are doing for bomb person in your question. We are to be safety. I come out for set jump. Support us in the Ban or Mubaka Kakra. It's up in our performance along for you. It's too bad again. Kakra Naye. Rapid flank to the Utu. But the anti-check of the champion mind, the creativity mind.
93.3 FM, sports commentary, and Mutaha.
Hello, Bogu. Hello, Bogu. Yeah, to me, yes, just moment I'm in call boss in Brazil. Why, what's up on chain? Yeah, you call is here. Okay. And you know, Poku, Anna. Ote ninkano tie ebo remo boase nso na ekohwe Kumasi Asante Kotoko career game no ahyase ewo ye Boase Link Sports Stadium entine ebo remo na ekohwe de ekoso enso ormo de besa nso akwa Kemodan Sports Stadium biem na Great Opoku ware na fe kwabena ajenim ere commentary de atwaso de ma haya henka 93.3 FM obetu no text message no WhatsApp message no e de ababeje pene kan de ma 0594841044 0594841044 0594841044 for messages in the brand and can confirm Kumasi Asante Kotoko career de Boni ewo Boase Link Sports Stadium why any di kumene for message in the brand and can confirm and just somebody de combination ba homa so enti yankona quickly no one for comment to no fan to so and for my hello Kobi. Yeah, to me, yes, Uno Boase Zambre de Toaso Nenko, Toaso.
Okay, Movia Bakoba Hariba Hinkai 93.3 FM. And young Vikia Globe was to the Transport Stadium. Kumasi Asante Kotoko again. Sahara United. Naunia Bekanada on the bed 20th corner. A practice for Emmanuel Jaffia Tepraga. What they born and after 10 1, what they got that they bought a piano back from the Meta, Emmanuel Jaffy or Piano, Cabon at Platinum, and it's so far and no got the idea. Aaron Natarana from a Gano back from what you meant to Okai. I was watching against one stadium. Aaron Natarana to Okai, Tana Taylor. Kumasa Tantaylor. Yatia Canestima, 25 minutes. 25 minutes, very United. As a former cover for Boase Link Sports Stadium. Abate Fanade, a depth near one of the one of us. A grand center second after that. Rafane de the Capadon to la. The Capadon to la Sudabi. Sammy Cow says
3.3 FM Sports Commentary.
Abate
And
de
Jaha. 93.3 FM Sports Commentary. And Jaha.
Sangwa flip on top of me. Andrew Kotuaka, Abdul Gamio Ismail, Ibrahim Moro, Abratia Ben Mohammed Habibu, Asa Habib Mohammed, Moda Silu Salifu, Fabio Gama, Patrick Oduatima, Emmanuel Jampi, and an Ivan Santomako Kumatia Santiago. Anna Ferrog, Richard Badwajama, Karen Natchet, Augustin Randolph, where Kuwase, Kojo Ade, Kamara Jini Mahmoud. Sadiq Al-Hassan, Omar Basinu, Ivan Sako, Dante Jan Kosu, Richard Bakona Pedia with Titila.
93.3 FM Sports Commentary. And
That is out there. Gumacha and they're going to go for 3 points to adopt you. Carolina Tana for 6 points to adopt Mienka. But I go 8 matches from our ball, last 8 matches from our boy. Oma really fight by 3, Omo Lucia. Oma continue 7 good. But the last 8 matches, we're winning 3, we're winning 5, brother. And we're considered 3. And I was 12, and I 10 7. That's not Carolina United. 1 or 2, 43 points, 46 points. What's up to me and time? The last 8 matches are on 12 ball. Our Ghana Premier League game. We're winning 3 and we're drop 4. And you're telling about 4. We're winning 3, we're drop 4, you're telling about 4. And now we'll record, Dara, now we'll record, and yet. We're drop 3, and you're telling what? 4 matches, I got 2. And then you're telling what? We're drop 3. And we'll lose 1. That's what we're doing. Now, I'm here.
93.3 FM Sports Commentary. And Jaha.
Goalkeeper, Richard Bedwa Pabon. Richard Bedwa Piabona de Bonatu. Yauti Tele Piabona Kabakama. Bona Bensadi. Obet Brother Slava. And go to Pabon. After the Gona Bona Structure. 20 Carolina attacking through. Bona Godi Mole. He was a travel on a Tele. Now to Calafay for Fabio Gama. Gama Betrade. Gama Debono. Gama Tabaku. Gama Tabaku. Gama Piabona Kabakama. Bona Godi Ablantia and Mole. And when I play on a play, Bona Ablaku. The ball has been lost. Now, Bona Sakodi. Bona Silu. But I still have to have a Pabanaco. That's the Randolph. Randolph Rajabana Tiprago. Piabana Tikama. Carolina Tareka Jabana. Tareka Piabana Kama. Carolina Teranabu. Piabana de Baba Vipiakum. Abatia Kanu. Tareka Lata. Tareka Lahatan. Bona Pau. Bona Pau Tiata Tigaraco. A power Tiata never saw one come. Number 7 September for Random. Talented Rada. Talented Yamatadi. Tadika Piadamade. And David Friday.
93.3 FM Sports Commentary. And Jaha.
Beko Rada. Beko Timepa Bonaco. Bona Sambodi Carolina United. Opianiwo. Bona Sadika Lata Piabansu. Sadika Lata de Bonataka Sako. Piabana de Bonakim. Now Piabon Piautela. Tela Najabano. Tela Piabana de Bonatibo. The Piabana Twande. Piauti. Butmanana. And now Carolina United. Beko Richard. Beko Richard. I don't know what I call Piabana Twani. Beko Richard Rada. Canada, and moi je sais bien. I can't let 3.3 from a boîte de 10% of combination original.
93.3 Ahinkai 93.3 FM Sports Commentary. Emuta.
Dr. Rock Canada Wiley. Now, one of the Ablatia Petilla, Tela Najibon, and Sudan. Yajiban Princeton. Bulletin, Sarah Jama. Ablatia Diapo, Pia Bonadakama, Fabio Gama, Gama Najibon, Gama Pia Bonakama.
Ahinkai FM commentary. Emuta rough.
Patrick got that match, my Jabari Mabi wanted. I've been trying, but you've been out to run this year power. I have power to start taking a call. The man be a time back to the 31 minutes in the about 31 minutes, a bad Eddie Kaigi. I can't take on a question. I can't take on a question. I can't take on a question. Now, when I put the Ablatia Daddy, Kamara Dini. Kamara dina pia bwana de bwana komanda mataki pamte kwa juga kwate kwa kwate ya jamaa ya mablati ya fani vansapu evansapu de bwana tebona sina bwana tulako
Ahinkai FM commentary Emuta rough
7 Balangwana Salati de Prakane atante ko na atante bwana biu pia bwana de bwana mambi ko japo Ame ko japo na le wana kwa pau. Apa ba tia papa wana. Na so apa wa tia pau. Ya de bwana president na kare na jet. Wa me de bwana kwa ravi tia pau. Power tia kare na jet. Power tia kare na jet. Aba tia tena ma 28. Ivan Sapo. Ravi tia Sapo boja. Ane tia power tia kare United. Kuma tia sante ko na ko wan kare 2. Asante going to go on. Tara is not dead. And then the Panasaraba. Now the central idea, fast to come out to buy it. Fast to buy it. And the central idea, we understand.
Ahinkai 93.3 FM Sports Commentary. Emuta.
I want to get University for the Taba Fabio Gama, the part of Fabio Gama. That's why I almost waba. The Baba is the pedal. I know what I don't want to tell you, man. I don't design it. Now, Pierre Bonner, the one I'm all blind. Ebolo Najabonu, Ebolo blind. Ghana Premier League, March Day 30. The boy never an Akaba, Kuma 90. Every day, Banavia. So I can't book the kind. We might have done what I thought to be. And I got to go in your better already kind. Now the book I thought to be. Johnny, that's Danny. Bona Tarik, Tarik Alata. Tareka Jabon Kama, a Piawan Natwade, Karafana Wanako, Kara Tepraga, Ivanda Natu, Water Tonesta, Kwana Kodikara Najet, Avantiano Chanama Agency, Ubaba 2, Batula Jabon Kama, a Piabano, Nato Davi Bona Tatia. A Platana Tina Fabona Bona Tatia. Bona Tatia. A Washington Transport Stadium, the Federal Construction. The center of the equator. Dr. Rock Canada. California Yamroma Bomobody. You must just stand over the Swab over the Nasu. Kotogona Tina Tabaco.
Ahinkai 93.3 FM Sports Commentary.
Fabio Gama. What to manage the defense? Of Bobo Choir from Kerala United. Kerala United. Goalkeeper ya pana Kwame Bao holiday. And the Kwame Bao to me our center line now will be this come up. And Mr. Kerala wanted to be a man of that. The Kwame Bao was to center line. I want to hold him come up. For a foul. I am making brother the Pia Bona than a wheel. And the 18-year Sadakana Tipe. You look at the edge of the 18-year box. I want about that. Edge on the corner of the there be a square one, 4 square one. There be a square the general. Why would you know? There be a 4 square the general. Oh, square on the edge of the one about that.
Ahinkai 93.3 FM Sports Commentary.
Richard Bada Chabana de Banaka, Randa Santa Dona Flak, Obadi Banako, Sabana Goda Santiago, Abranta Gama, Fabio Gama, Gana Jalo, Wapia Wana de Mahabi, Adam Jama Samuel Flippo, Samuel Adam Flippo, Wapia Wana de Banatibo, one of the Marijuana, Nato Davi. Evans Adam Quatina Pabanako, Shiwano Japi, and never one of Madi. Jampa Timia Pabana Bona Richard. Go to power Richard Bed Piabaro. What the bottom on any platter, a Bratiana de Sade Class Sade Banaco, Sade Cachabana de Banatibo, Naso Bona Bratia and Salatu. I can't to about 7 as
93.3 FM Sports Commentary and Mutaha.
And then the combination 1, the original. I will pass to the first stadium. Imana Marco. And the Asia. Gomasa Santa 1, Kara United 0. Out of the cover. Born and 50 pair by Jan Santiago. And 50 pair by Jan Santiago. Now, Pia Bono, but 2 miles Pia. On the Bona Pacoma Blackiana, they have a good one. But what that Pia Bona de Bonacchio. Bona Puri, Sally.
93.3 FM Sports Commentary and Mutaha.
Hello, Kobe. Hello, Kobe. Hello, Kobe. Hello, Kobe. I'm say Kobe Entiminka Entino. The few boys say Eba. And so, and it's a copium or your Boston Clean Sports Stadium. Kumase Asante Kotokometema. Ama shekano bako abrante fani jimano Jemfi ena eto atenano edema Kumase Asante Kotokometemba ze carried for entumi NTA first half ni nkwawe sisi ade yesa ko back to eya Kimodan Sports Stadium na yako obrempono poku warenchen na yakohwe eye kutuku game no ene so de akwasi e hono mutire ka homa na bom se bibia eto na kwemu a yebesa ko poku nchen na de ekoso ewaye Kimodan Sports Stadium no ono so ede ba na bibia akofine enso ede ama and you so between the text message in the aba and now say WhatsApp message in the Fabra and can confirm 0594841044 na bibia enkoye and so from Samre do poku aba enti enko poku entoso and from hello poku ya timi kan toso
for Jamanima, I Pando out of Lions, Emmanuel Okori, what you are born Moshe, and my born after Chatham. It's a branch of a Jomate, and it's a branch of Kano, Sana Guatica, Watelikai, and a man champions are going to Suayata, look at a 1-0, and a war at what else was a copy. The son of Satisfaction, as a son of Pokumi Jump, Canada, missing one and said, yeah, interview, so I go Piatuaso, Rapid Plantre, Akumate, or Mona Bay, say about Piatuaso, one Ekuta branch of Polenti, or Pejamon Tete, not a branch of I have someone, Amwa, Nasapi, one at Nakoso, I come that best to Kuaya, one much a Karabakwa, then because the supporters will be a penalty. Supporters will be a penalty. Nasa in Kala so for the drum. The drama ya Bochima, ya the people are not to the corner, and a corner, one of the Kuta, a black on the Joe Water, or the one to Crypto, young way, one of the two, the Kupas of the Santa Circle of Abate, I have done for 5 seconds, or the one at the Crypto, or Sharp Plantier, I have found Clement Water, Clement, one of the Bonipa, who watch a 6 play, was such a bono, and one of the Crypto, or Sharp Plantier, the first Santa Circle, who watch a play, for the Korea for 20 the game, one of the Kuta, a Plantier Fano, a Plantier for Nuru Mamet, one of the one Kete, oh, what a game, now so Pando out of France, a Plantier for Samalama, Wapumono, was a Plantier for Polenti, at your room, was a Plantier for Chupo, what a 15, a Plantier for Emmanuel Jan, what the ball, that's 3.2 for the 24, Robert Blem White, the 24 to your drum.
It's ready to roll. Fantastic goalkeeper by Ostandard. Emmanuel Ofori, Baba Matipono, Apeja body to and the ball of them, one ever, one Ekutabono, Fando out of Lions, a player for Samalama, that's what the jump upon us for. What to go past the Ananya Sankitwa? One of my idea by sort of Pumi Opoku.
93.3 FM, sports commentary,
Don't be a band of Freddy Canning.
Okay. Entino Pokuare and I want to kind of fear come out sports stadium no. First off, na bawie Kotoku Royals. Clement Boateng to atene di kan Eriama Kotoku Royals Emma aye Pando out of lines for entumi NTA. Entino de formo eba enso eno no. Enti Daniel Famiko Boasi BM ne enko hwe Kumasi Santukro game no. Obi na Sunday make Accra Sports Stadium. Nafe yakoshe Great Olympics enso ne Beche United game eto fem no. Na de ekoso no bibia so akofa de ma telefone na. Enti e transfer so between no text message ni WhatsApp message ni dia ba. Na bibia ko ye dia ma 0594841044. 0594841044. Yebaje penia kenkan dia ma ye pa. Miri ndi kofi ejo Brant FM Daniel Jareboa. Samsona eya Brant FM no. Coach Raymond so fianu say eni na kabu medi jumedi no e de ba samre de yanko na Kobi en Samson to aso mfama ewo aye opazaro Kobi
yade kai wo bibia mu yade kai
hello Kobi
bona chawana de bona tibona pia ibona fo ala fana pia bona de bona fo bona be tata ko mo so fo ko be na ti kuma ta ta ko to one Carolina Desiro Emmanuel champion of Pia
93.3 FM sports commentary
and Yamata take on one one go promo Yasia Karasima Demand Yanai and Ubra Swabi Akada Papa Pedabatu Nabona Kodiani Pia One Kama Ball blind, Ibrahim Pia one Fabio Gama and after that. Oh, fantastic game. Richard Bedu. Now, Bona Kodi Carolina United.
93.3 FM sports commentary.
Wabratiana Bona Australia Papa Canada. Then go to one Fabio Gama. I won't be able to back man of the match. Ranyamawa, Pia Walla de Bona to cover, Pia Walla, Wajibala de Bona Vanity, Carolina David Madden, Omana de Bona Timeco, Blanchana de Randolph, Augusta Randolph, or Pia Walla de Bona Vivian, Kojote, or Diana de Bono, or Pia Bono, or Pia Bono after that. Oh, Ravage outside. Rapid outside. Bona Kodi and Bisco Japu. And Dio Kojapu. Kojapu and anyone who appeared to Kwame Ba. The goalkeeper Kwame Ba, back pass. Kwame Ba to Ajibon over the man Abdul Ganushman. Abdul Ganushman, the one call. What Pia Walla de Macqua or the Bampo. Kojapu. Kojapu on the pian. Kojapu Jabon of Kama. Where you want their quality. Now to one quality. I brought you with Jacabon. Kala Pia Wana Sulabi. I tell like what. Papa Pay Mohammed Tijan and Fagane. What's it on a power tia? Kumatia Santegako. Power tia Santegako. Moson for Corbina, original one. Moson for Corbina, original one. I can't have the 3.3 FM.
I can't FM commentary. Would the whole rough?
Dr. Rock, I brought you for Dr. Rock. I brought you for one more jump dog. Never come up a sound. 93.3
Sports commentary.
Referee Jacob Adentila was so big up. Was so big up from a temporary up. Jacob Adentila so bad up from. What be at from our Yatayati? What be at from a Mundamut up there? Temporary up. And temporary up. Jacob Adentila. Jacob Adentila, Dr. Ross. Kumacha and take on the one Carolina Tazu. And moi, je sais pas, I say Piso, I am a better.
Ahinkai 93.3 FM Sports Commentary. Emutaha.
The Mariana already has one of the Swarta. Now go rapid and talk to the Yobia. Yeah, go Swaya Barata.
Ahinkai 93.3 FM Sports Commentary. Emutaha.
The Mariana no Swabby.
Ahinkai FM commentary. Emutaha rough.
Rapid Papaya Panja Copa Dentura. Jacopa Dentura. Jacopa Dentura. Wapona ba India de Jumaje na Friday Canaba na Meya. Jacopa Dentura. Wapona ba India Friday Canaba na Meya. So far, so will Kumatia and take on one. Carolina United and Jimmy 45 minutes in the third department of the game of Lincoln Sports Stadium, Ghana Premier League Monday Derby. Kumatia and take on one. Carolina United. Manya Blackers and Junior no Yamko. The one for Papa on Africa and away Bruno Baye. The first over Severon. Very so far so good. Kara United, Abba, Kukotoka one, who gave it the Pelican.
They also gave a shot in a Kara extra in case you said they wanted to go. At least within about 4-5 minutes, player FN, Dallas Indian Fosu, Abia, a creative chance, Emma, player FNO, here she tell a convertible on a change. Since then, Caroline is my part in the game. Right from that period, for creative chances, no. Look at a ball, at least a chance that emergency near your passing man, play if anyone's the Macron, mistake, that chance to. That is scored that goal, the referee, the referee, also say offside in the game. It was a clear offside in the game. And since they could have back pass me, look at another wonderful ball from player FA Emmanuel, that's play for Fabio Gama. Pass on my Emmanuel Jenfi. Naturally, a technical gifted player. A situation like this will be the best from him. Only the difference between Kotko and the club FA FC, the difference between Kotko and FC, a player, FM Fabio Gama dos Santos, because Emmanuel Jenfi would even missed that ball if we return yet pass for the more because will be more part this year. It will just be one-on-one with the goalkeeper FA Richard Bedu on a convertible towards him. Since the the back line of club FM FC here. Been led by player Epic Kudrade, any player Epic Kukosena. They've been good, the Amkumbo has been there. We managed to Marana Barrow to air ball force 9 in the shape of play for Emmanuel Jenfi. That's the kind of pressure at that play, these two center backs. So, and look at the left side of the defense, Lemma Club by Epic Kaula. Karma Deni Mamudwa, he has been good always, about best of football. Ronald Pasos has been good. Mayford, that's where Kaula's strength it was. Sadiq Alasa, Ivan Sapo, any player, Omar Bashiru, Yamafu Media. That is the Afavia Gama, or at your disposal, say, or control me for now. I bet they are my midfielders. Only idea we are more struggle because I believe this Fabio Gama, he be a midfield battle would have been won by player Club and College. He was still a young boy in the video, but I was love say the at least player FN player FN Ganu, any player FN Jacob that's a Piwa, Andrew Piwa. Oma one at least on proof of one and that they be a mono and a cheat in a truck, a good year about that's it about goal line airport score being led by goalkeeper FM Kwame Bounce. They've been in the show because they believe that when you're one-on-one situation with you or bet map on the show, the at least club FM got score difference preventing it from say only that kind of situation. Only that because yes, I believe say game first half excellent game from both sides. At least the game have been won by Kotoko in the first half. I believe someone to also say here, the manager if you any more with another technical pass, Bima, and this can go in the back of the winning game by 2-0.
I know I have well on after the talented Dr. Rock. I'm over to more studios up there. First of all, Masabania to Aguadiamam.
Enti de efi oboase aba eno no okọ oboase first half na banawie ye Kumasi Asante Kotoko Omo she kana ba ko Emmanuel Jemfe ena to atena ba ko ma Kumasi Asante Kotoko na ma Carolina United for Juventus kan first 45 minutes no nini na abanawie ye na se ebowure mo e wa Accra Sports Stadium na yakọ Papa Slan so ntia ko hwe Accra Great Olympics game amune Beche United de boani no ye kwa ko hwe de score no e koko si 45 minutes no na ya de ama na bibia sa ko ye e de ama
Asante Kotoko ye beshe mamu
Enti Sly ba wo mano so yen ko nche quickly na ni kodi nkomo na hu bi ekosi hello Sly
Hello
ya Timika Hello Sly na okwa Accra Sports Stadium Olympics game no first half na bana we ye
Okay, my name is Bibia Kwaba and 93.3 FM. So, at me, I just with the Abozo, the Danny Coach, and Abu Babia, Obia, the Nefidino, at me, at 93.3 FM. And if the name of the PL donation will be a transfer to them game between Great Olympics, only 30, only and console, and Beche United. And I tell everybody, we are Ghana Premier League match day 30 and I so they make us the first of department, you know, at me up and it will be Anthony Ambeki, the budget of the game. Only 30-0 between 90-0 in a APM first of department. Name or no, Ocean reaction to APM after first half of Nigeria. And first half within 10 minutes now, and a Bobo Cup between United. Etini enya penalty a brand of Jamel Jen Haruna etini bonne sa ade a referee o fifi eto ayem erema afenu nenu nyina ayo openi afan eso Morris etini esha bay eje penalty no edma bobo kwafen between at eno ena capture the side edma bobo kwa ye fan between at more sorry for wotini akokotiko jira penalty ba kum yenu yesa na blank no etimi abo bono ese goalkeeper sama goalkeeper no eponche bono e blank no sa tape bono to ateho na blank eve more salifu esa tape bono fa over the bar baby a uti zampadi a blank no le kamie so sebi bono nya no a particular no betini asa bono etini ato atem so far no personal department no etini eba na ora total yellow card etini epm no mako yesa ene etini emumi no eko edma Great Olympics abnanta yefe Ahmed Api Mesa etini enya yellow card Jamel Haruna so etini enya yellow card bako eko edma captain the side edma between na Jemolo side ono so etini eko kude enya yellow card so far total yellow card ene etini epm na oram the game no eko sabrante for apia enya otini a player na ya rewosam kase bra abrante ne otini aji yellow card edso game na abrante and Api Mesa etini ekocha no touchla abrante final for api etini enya kunya amere pinima e break kase ene etini ebo edima ko Beche United so far no Beche United etini aye ensacha ya abrante ye fan for apia etini akokode fkenim ama abrante final atulo gofed ono so enya kunya etini apapelage so far so good better department na etini apanele nation Wembley Stadium Great Olympics 0 Beche United S0 Mamito from Bashari have won the 7-0 0 me confirm me say 0 because one day ba ku mienu bi ene tuta kwaso bi enu mo Colombia na CCC omu tuta 1-1 me kateme ne kwa metini akanti Bashari have won the
okay Papa Sly you better say waje pene na watutu bi e de aba na bibia so akoye enti na besa ba chebim why okay enti Papa Sly na etene nkade no fi Accra Sports Stadium no first half na bana wiye na ukowurema ade a Great Olympics antumi anshebi na Beche United enso antumi anshebi ene de fi no a eba yekama asem no ede achonti sei na first half ni na no esi eti Great Olympics shebi Beche United antumi shebi Kumasi Asante Kotoko she bako Kayore United amantumi anshebi Brekum Chelsea amashe bako ama Elmina Sharks amantumi ante Kano Dream Chelsea antumi anshebi 11 Wonders she Kano bako ena Wafa enso ebo Kano Polo miensa ama Diana Stars ate Kano bako first half no aba na wieye eno de fi Ghana Premier League ni matches na eba yakamu asem no ede acho na Kibada Sports Stadium no so no ade Kotoku Royals ashe Kano bako ema Kpando out of lines for entumi ente Kano na Kaiwei na so say J Bani & Co Limited say me conference show say omede ndro anase enema bebrebi ede aba bontin so sakabia bibia be koye ede amount J Bani & Co Limited say me kancho say awo owo ehwa adwen ewo demu ana onfitire na omo ha adwen akodokope bind snake repellent ni na fedi djuma na bia koye enso enfo kwa super Brazil anase Zonex okwa na ode apetipitu dan ni manasa odan na chi na bebia ayekama ede amount sanso na bind stain remover no enso aba bonten bind stain remover no aba bonten onya bia ebia ode no tarazo na eso ye fi otwetwe nko amount search na wa kopabi na fast na bibia nkoye enso enfama sanso na J Bani ode bind liquid soap ade aba bonten enso sakabia unum se COVID-19 mrei esa ohuru nsaye na otwetwe niam na bia ko fan enso de manti kopabi na afade djuma na bia nkoye enso enfama Samson ede ban 20 insecticide enso aba bonten embo ankasa eniomum anadompe eniomum de entate antefre ne de omaka cheni na no ebe kilom be kuom kojo de bia koye ade ama Samson ede ban akasha enso aba bonten kopabi na fadi djuma na woniama na anwene se no faye na bibia enso enkoye wadwaye no na de twetwe kama na bibia koye enso ede ama Samson na ban eyezo no enso aba bonten ene parazo no ni na bi aba bonten sakabia bibia fine area man say ope J Bani ni product bia now de djuma obekopemu akimodan Osit GCB Bank no okopemu obenya ban J Bani ni nema nabi na bia koye enso area man abatuni piero no edi nkomo awasa homatufo so na bia ka cheni na ona na cheni bia koye enso area ama 0242 771650 0242 771650 0247 576643 J Bani & Co Limited ko na oni omko dijwa na bibia enko fine enso mfama sambe de poku ara samba o maro so tie se ko ne chebie na second half no we dey fi Akimodan Sports Stadium ede amount sambre hello poku yes adwuma ne mra ne mom ufo ne na ya hwe ne ye
Kofi me the rubber bag na tikiri phone. Ana je me the phone atala.
Bajuma. Na. Bone de omo body e.
Kofi afina me no ka say the referee Frankly Akumate out free Accra e ba ye. Two teams ni ni ano. Obia aba beda be beda. Ti se e bia be 30 seconds pe. Referee jam Frankly Akumate. Obabona ben na be ya di kemno aso etini atso na me no ka say the change tapa Kotokura aye change e ma platia planifian awram no so ko boge ni bi ya se wa vi enzo ni ya to e ma yukutu za kuku ko bi ya bona ben ama di kemna tina tiko Kotokura na pass for no mo no di boni ko wa di bona to SM the conference of the center ko bona tra e wura e kwano ato plan for na for na su gabe a platia for ko ti pon Abrache no, to pata me body bio. Abrache for the payment. Abrache copy. Abrache what you no, Abrache no. Ayo get what not to the pay. Rafi Frankly Akumate. Wabono mabono, wapana ben. The bono young one fetia. Copy 20 the Maya tempa copy agree. It's when my Jane. Copy Jane. Copy you go to the command to no bar. You know that the referee. Opia Jane.
Ahinkai 93.3 FM Sports Commentary. Emuta hot.
Come to my dear papa. Opia to for ball to the non-quatum. If you want Ayakusu. If you are Ayakusu. There is a referee to Babana and also Monabe. There is a referee to Babana and Sergio Germany starting Copia Sopo. You know, can say the copy. Gemna Sopo. Gemna Sopo. Rasinia Aqua dressing room.
Ahinkai 93.3 FM. Sports commentary. Emutaho.
There's one more. I feel about to be prepared in the Swako. What you have done in Park. Rafi Frankly Akumate.
Ediboku, I'm calling the offer now.
Coffee, someone must have a sports stadium.
Yes.
And so I had an
Ana Pakinagri, nice apple.
It's Minuka's idea. Young as a rock, remember me at Wasana. I feel like I could be placed in your every time in the dressing room. Once I ever call him my way up. Bakofi, young Kajabu, water. The match will try a calling offer. Yamia, more child, about 45 minutes.
Yeah.
You have a second half on the press. Also, Lana, I have to Padiabana. And Sotona, maybe I have calling Martin offer. Yes, that's the game in the book. No, minutes now, a boy, and about that. If you go to class, you go no more, they go to a Sunday. They can't get work on us, so now, one of the Kusan right now. Yes, come at you. There's 20 years in your phone, I'm not about 45 minutes now.
Okay.
Now, you will be able to be. You go to a sports stadium. Young as a student, I said, you have to finish yourself. You better now work game with you. Then I'm not more channel pass. You have about 45 minutes, at your class, so not pay. You are determining of 8 to one young citizen said, you are going, if you are given on your council, and you are going, and you have been on coffee. And tell new people who's not your banner. Go no, a better. Yamian Watchna, 45 minutes now, any about what you have to ask enough. The photocopy not the Yaka, and answer one and omit my maintaining. I know they could be a man and Cabian, but so far, so we have no contact your park and your son, that's all. There's one at Yapa.
And the not the pound.
Our coffee, not that's what authority for. I'm unbelievable football down, coffee. That can show 12 pounds and go up to Yakan. Park and I time, Papa. I came on down past really time, Papa, coffee.
Okay, Boku, you better say, oh, near Cobos, ever someone champion never shall say, Mutumi to us one, I say, you're calling the offer. Why? Okay. And you know, great to Pokuar, and I want to can identify Akem or Dance Sports Stadium. Nadia Formo Eba, and it's a short talk. Nensona no adinye pa etino ama refino someone chinchan so hye se bi o betun sambo bie ana se o be call game no offer na ese nyakopa no me de kina no mato aso tide be si akire bia no ye be san so back to Great Opokuware ana fe Kabena Ajenim the sports head na the few no muni na no omne ama na bibia koyi enso e de amount se de Daniel Ajeli tutu ahomana se betun ewremu awaye Obuasi Lincoln Sports Stadium na Kumase Asante Kotoko Metambo Boko no amane Karela United e de yantan so enso ne akokohwe de ekoso na ye de bibia e de amount je bani aso ase ema ye de ko e Obuasi na bibia koyi ere amount na text messages ni de bebre na aba hanum senti no yeshe na ya to be there for we say Kotoku will win by 3 goals to nothing. And I say greetings to Akua Patient and Nana Akua from Starboy. And I de eba na we say Ajenim also Ajenim konkanche odi ahinkan say ya grobi no odi na Kumasi Asante Kotoko ebelusu ene na ono so de eba na we say Kumasi Asante Kotoko will win by 3 goals to 1. Greetings to Akua Pet. Okay, on the sound of our Edinburgh, Entino, NASA, and ACT. Entino, you go to Tomano, say Sabitmia camp, Yensem Tuning, and as a reportano, and a free a year of Boise, Kobe Nash, na Bibia Akuyi. And so, oh, yeah, if you know me say, Edaman to see the Humano, a year to Manasa, and see a corner and a Kobe. I got to also a few bosses the money, if for no money, dear. Now, Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Now, Mashabakua, Yimano Jemfi. Eto atena ba kunu makotokwa na yese karafo entumi entie intina de fio no eba enso eno na ene game no de fio no eba yes tinese de bia tena kwemu tino ayeko na Kobinas ato aso ere aman
Bakwate of Garara United Ajelo card Bakwate of Garara United what card I found out to be a second semana kwa night second semana night Yellow card Aquariana Kwate, Garara United.
Ahinkai 93.3 FM Sports Commentary Emu Jaho. Ahinkai 93.3 FM Sports Commentary Emu Jaho.
Richard Bedrock, come on. Richard Bedrock, come on.
Ahinkai 93.3 FM.
What's it? Come on, take another one. Carolina get through. What's up for coming as one? The original. Now, can't find anybody come at the black house to Superco. Corner. Goalkeeper, Kwame Bao holiday. Kwame Bao, minimum. As the top one and 7 of the get this up. Why I got to Quadrumada? Kwame Bao, Quadrumada. What was it? Anna Okala, was Bazakala. And the Tibonity and Palada to go to Committee Janutia. Because goalkeeper, Kwame Bao. Rock was Tibobia. What about Tibobia? Back pass the corner combat. Now, Pierre, what I want to tell us, I'm going to call about Tibaku. Pierre, what I want to do. What I start to go. Now, the one I'm going to receive better go to Richard Bed of nobody. Richard Bed of Pierre Bottle. What a one I'm a black penalty, but what you're telling what I got. But what I tell Pierre want to be around that second. Now, Carolina Tenatibano, Abrante Plaga, what the Plaga, what the Baku, what the Miano, what the one I was saying, what I finished by a corner. Rafa say go kick. Rafa go kick at the Matante to the court. But I want to go. Yeah, one to Carolina dead. What one for a Gabaku? One play Takwa in a state, Takwa in a Sinabayan. Takwa Matembo, Western Region, go to Kwan. And the back side. Then now, from the Woodka, gas, power, iron war. A Woodka. Now, when I put the car in a jet, I'm not taking go what day, what's that Piabon, Saraka, Sadeka Latanajibo, what's the Plaga, but Piabana de Valatibo, Carolina, goalkeeper, Kwame Batibon. When they start to be not coming back to go from the opposition side, Kwame Batibon at that wall. Rapidly can't jump side of foot. One of the attack to go. Having one of the Piabana de Fabio Gama Piabana de Valatiban attraction. I had two Drobia take out the go. And
Ahinkai 93.3 FM Sports Commentary Emu Jaho.
Buona go there tanto go. Abbiamo una di balco. Allora di balco. Allora già buona di buona coba. E poi la buona basti. Buona per Gamma tua pian buona chiama. Fatto caso ma qua ma e va a ma curada. Babio da tua buono. Gamma di buona chiama. Bolu tappa chiama. Tomaku. Adoma kona te praga. Adoma kone buono. Adoma kone ma mole bem. E bolo bem atibaku. E bolo bem atimeru. Bolo bem buona basti. Fabio Gamma na te buono. Gamma pia kona ti. Gamma pade. Buona tua go sama pe pom. Me kwa pia buona Jeffy. Jeffy pene ti pia ta buono. Buona ta go pe pom. Dan ka pe buona go. Buona ta go ta buona go. Carolina te na ta te buono. Tade kala ta pia buona go. Rabla te achana manange tina tuanyano. Okay. Kwa ba. Richard back on Tawanya at the Granny back the ball.
Ahinkai FM commentary. Muda Hov.
Abi mwana kula bọ́ọ̀lù mu. Abi Muhammad bọ́ọ̀lù akọ́lẹ̀. Pia bọ́ọ̀lù apẹ̀wò. Apẹ̀wò ajá bọ́ọ̀dì ẹ̀ma bọ́ọ̀dì asinu. Pia bọ́ọ̀lù. Náà Fabio Gama. Ìwà náà jẹ́ pẹ̀lú àdá. Jẹ́ pẹ̀lú ẹ̀fọ́ bọ́ọ̀lù. Rọ́bìsì ẹ̀fáwò. Rọ́bìsì ẹ̀fáwò. Yẹ̀tí akẹ́rẹ́ ti máa ma kó wa kó wa dùn. Ti máa ma kó wa kó wa dùn nìyẹn. Asante kọ́dọ̀kọ́ wà.
Ahinkan FM commentary with the whole rough.
Sadika pia dia ma ba tie fanu ma ba tin. Ba tin la je ba ru. O ba ba tin ma e cheted man. O ba ba tin wa de ba ko. O ba ba tin pia ba ru. Da to da ba la to tie. Chama de de ba la tin. Gala ta. Pia de ba la to. Ba ga ga de ko. Ba te ko ja ti ma e ba la. Richard Bedu aje bwana sasa zake wa wajama bwana kwa kama gojo hotai kwa kuwa rada kwa kuwa ajabu wale bwana kama rata ban ko jade kwa jade ajama ya kwa problem kwa beku kwa ajabu bwana kama wale bwana kama na matwitu na kata nyadi agate random wale bwana kwa problem bwana kwa jade Wazada nationally. Dia usete la teto. Dia usete la cheba combien de miata teto. Dia usete teto. C'est pas de patriotique. Qu'est-ce que fait quoi ça? Wa pour le Cape Stadium. Comment tu as tenté contre Kowan? Kara United. Pour le Cape Stadium. Ghana Premier League match 2020-2021. Ana agukase we kona we na ya super na we ya daka obia ma kuma kwa 9 aka obia 9 ya be the season na bana we ya one top group one about Champions League one about African Cup aja baga kala kuna ba go abrante fan random magatin oh mama mia Kara ina kan bola dia kan tele kan bola bola rock. Kara dia go skoro. Be bi to ban arashim. Be bia wo kuja wana abopa. Ero na blanche ne ye. Na imanu ajabi. Je braje balo. Da ba Fabio Gama je balo kama. Gama Gana jolo. Gana sobolo. Azabe de Gama biu. Boda tu salfu. Boda tilu. Wachato, Rafi Dabi, what I feel we to one of Wajaboro. Now, one of the chats I don't know. I follow blind. Gana Chabana de Banco. Coach that firm Marona Balatu. And you want to the back and a black start. And a tactical way of food. The tactics to the year. This was to follow it, babe. Go to the one at the center. After a while, who was that about? Number 2 the class. Baza. Mule dai kwa dia, wadi prero. Tomo bota tala mano. Tala na jet. Go papa ba.
93.3 FM. Sports commentary. Emuta ho.
Ebe ja tatu wadi na suru. Yekale na buma simana ba kubako. Ado tia edie. Apele kwa ba yete mbako. Boy wona apela ko kampo. Anu aje sebeka. Bona
Ahinkai 93.3 FM Sports Commentary. Emuta ho.
Gala takura bone biu. Apre bona tulabi. Acha! Ego! Oh, Rafi. Alta wa job guy. Oh, carry na tebo. Now to understand like what? Mohamed Tijani. What's your outside? Mohamed Tijani say outside. Mohamed Tijani say body outside. Galon. Mohamed Tijani. Hey, Dr. Roga, born in here, I am Kingo. I don't think, me go commentate and also go to Jamaica, where Jamaica are. Go, Pia, where the Kingo, where Kingo. Go to Kingo. Now, so, At line one, Dr. Rock. Papa Tijani Mohammed to offside. I asked him, we now got put in line one or Tijani or Jamata Tijani. What we party at a question. Damn, no credit with Dr. Rock and your side. And your side, and your side. Every time I'm telling you about a boy like Kipano, I think you want to come by. Go play about the keep. Not to love it, I'll be outside. Line one to offside. What do you want to? I think we're going to together. They don't have beer or Korea. I'm going to beer at the I'm going to beer at the Papa, so Papa did to that. But from one to Johnny, one of the Johnny, and who want to say? And they want to grab us, would they have to see you? And now, Papa said, I see, well on. What was the not so much go? The thing like this, and it's even what the Papa also complaining there. Off about the center line, because he thought that after referee, I offside. Why must he go? The referee on the day I offended Jacob and Antari is to say a perfect goal. And I thought I go the observation was a clear goal because it was a shot. It was a shot to the player. And again, even the goal score was in line with the of a different animal. So I believe that when you say like this, many people call for VAR. Usually when they call for VAR, but I say I'm referee on that day FN Mohammed Tijani and Yepre. That was a goal. Actually, my observation, I saw it as a clear goal. I said, I'm the kind of Velasquez, I crego. Yeah, Mohammed Tijani. What about another say offside? But then the flag and say offside. Now, so, but drop it, Santa Rock, go. I have play Dr. Rock. I have play. Now, so, baby, after the Canasana. And I tell Kara United one, Kumaka, and the one. Kara United one, Kumaka, and the one. Why about swap about what's in Famba? Why about 7 Famba? Why about say? Papa, I brought to Copa Dutula. What one that brought to Jali Mohammed? One of me Famba. What a conformance in that 30 packers. But I want to 30 pack. Papa, Dr. Rock, or you do more of what he did. TV says a very pimp TV. The day. Nana no be anemo. I didn't process rock, minimum power. What Pejani has to one TV be aware. What Boba Paya Penny? I sound like one on the day I did. What met Jan and what bonus money? Yafano Jam Buama, Pimp TV. What?
Yes, comment you know Eguswa is a Yedemawa and a Santino. And there is a reporter Misaka and it says Kopiemo and I said sorry taxi driver and I saw a driver Ufia Kimodan Ebesia Concrane and often crying air back Kimodan Kruma. Yes, Kopiemo a Kameni Junction, a Lindes one Munano, a Sinsuene Tono, a Buka Faso, and in all Kola Nyabotra on her. Na akofo ye ne bi e de abanti taxi drivers no drivers phone na no we e ya de srede na de e ka chemo se ofia kemodan e ba boaboa e na se ofia boaboa e ko odan ye lindes e ya Kamani Junction wono e sinsu na eto no abunka wafaso e ho no nti wo kwa na ma ya hwe na bibia enso aye fine e de ama ye to aso na e de komechu no e de ama etifo
now onside position and you know I don't have offside. Well, what about the sweeping goalkeeper and a buy and a goalkeeper and a boss say, and here you go. And then for Opiate go. Opiate. Now, so Jama print and say, Ralph in like one, you know, I have it. I don't know, rock, I have it. Someone, yeah, papa. I someone, yeah, rock. I am a yes, I'm a phone, I'm a dear comment, come every day, and I'm a yes, and a rock. Who would hear me? I am a yeah. Go down and comment me. I tell much anti-attack judgment. Anti-attack judgment. And it's very difficult. That anti-attack judgment. You have got to go for it. For some of the people, you have a video with the Ayaka. You did it, Baba.
Yedi Kuma. Yedi Kuma. Bora boy. Bora eu.
Sports commentary. Emu Jaha.
Jacob Adotila. Jacob Adotila. Azana wa Muhammad Tijani. Controversial. So controversial. Moi je sais pas. Moi je. Nana. Moi je. Aya tokowa. Aya tokowa tuto padamanya. Kito padamanya tepsi pato. Bwana dia menemu dia besia batwa twana seyanto finish.
Ayinkai 93.3 FM Sports Commentary Emu Jaha.
Ayinkai munyabo tema mu kwanza. Ayinkai na 3.3. Bwana dia batwa santa tekwo. Na batwa santa tekwo ballon. Ballon a so controversial même. Ani drop it there. Pourquoi il y a tout ce go? C'est bon non mais pas.
Ayinkai FM commentary Emu Jaha rough.
Ayinkai 93.3 FM Sports Commentary Emu Jaha.
Ball 27. Ya siba performance na. Dina ya pretty time. Performance na ya pretty time. Eradi Yesu. Gana bla boate. Dr. Robert Sel. Ya me adom na adom to. Na ma me. You are the same here kwa ne ya san babiem. Na ya nyemu a ka to ma me se o papa.
Ayinkai 93.3 FM Sports Commentary Emu Jaha.
One of the Kingo, and no doubt. By rapping this is an alpha. One of the Kingo. By rapping line 1 and then the center rapid digital.
Ayinkai 93.3 FM Sports Commentary Emu Jaha.
But so for Gobina Original, Gobina Original. And why you say about that? There are a lot of the team, a clear book for Kerala United. I think a level of risk here football. We need to understand the loss of the team. And the rest of the deflected here. And a better chance. And the man Umar Basiru and Obose. So, movement is played for the player. The man here on side. So, to me, it's a goal. I'll be telling on the right that this is the reason why I call it for air technology. Like one, no, I we should revise the loss of the game again. One and Kema. Talk of this way in Abba. It was a clear fool. But that time, I don't tell the color. But your man, go there, Pepe. And what down Pepe. You go there, clear. I don't tell one.
Ayinkai 93.3 FM Sports Commentary Emu Jaha.
What's that? But Pia Bonner Bay, if I am not about him, Immola Trade, that Tanwa, Immola Pia Bonner Bonapim. Would I still not about the South from Modasilu? What is not about a Quabatana Teto, Robert said, I said to Karan another from one year with double double. What went down with on your Quanaba. Now to Sikape and not from Sikabanya, dear Pusa. Sikape and not from Kofi Badakato. Flower Breno. Sikape and from Sar. On the commentary post, Kumasia Santicoto. Got to go approach our place.
Ayinkai 93.3 FM Sports Commentary Emu Jaha.
My commentary position. Anakara so play. Gara operating from the left side. And I got to go operating from the right side. According to my maybe I'm in the commentary position. And sure, I'm a Kakakra. Naturally, I'm going to do you might get the other year. Now that's not yet. I never come here.
Ayinkai 93.3 FM Sports Commentary Emu Jaha.
Rock, yes, kind of quite home.
Bobia what Tiemi Pia.
I can't FM commentary and with the whole rough.
Now, so line one, no, not gonna master my line, or not go master my back. Babon de Kego. Now, a Pia Bona de Bonatim, a Bratia Praga, a Cheba Comia Mesa, a Satan Teleco, Bona Bedia Brata for Abi Mohammed, Abi Mohammed, Abu Pia Bona Kama, Abi Bonico, not one day. Buona Sabri Abi Mohammed, Abi Bonico Pia Bonsu, Abana de Bonababu, Abrante Pano, Fabio Gama, Gama Sadiama, Abi de Bonico, Abi Bonsu, Abi Chabona de Bonasio, Ivano Japi, Jabon Kama, Chabana de Bonasibo, Tsunami. Richard Bedu, and Nobukuno, and the Timmy House, and a house to the airport, and you went down on that. Bona said in the film, but it's about to go down. Richard Bedu, Clubon, Pepia Bonsu. Tabadema, Omaba Chiru, Omaba Chiru, Pepia, Comarachi, Richard Piabano, Richard Pepabon, Chabana, Telebonati, run a check, I do. And Tiana by Ibanaco, Abi Wabana Jabano, Abi Pepia Bonsu. One time goes to Richard Bedu. Richard Bedu, Pepia Bonsu. Richard Bedu, why is he living in the morning? I have a chance what they want to watch. One of them, my 18th man, was that day. Was that day, Piabano? Or the one of them, I'm not there for Sunday Galata. I don't have Piabano, my 7th man. Talented. I can't want to go.
Ahinkai 93.3 FM Sports Commentary and Mutaho.
Bona Papa, Santa Taco. In between the Santa Taco and the Piabo of Caranacat.
Ahinkai 93.3 FM Sports Commentary and Mutaho.
What the Caranacat? So far, so. And I demand to have Adam Tibet. What does what to think about Tibet? Or get look at Tibet. But it's on the Tibet. And I go for the same as what Tibet. Now,
I'm 93.3 FM Sports Commentary and Mutaho.
One on your penalty. Keep on a second ball. Keep on a second ball. One on your penalty. Belong. Rafael friend to come back to that. Why confused? To come back to that. I don't try. Why confused? Police, why confused?
I think Ghana football any of the best. No rich man will bet in Ghana football. But no reasonable human being will award this penalty. The name reasons or the award the penalty. The name reasons it's not possible. Watch the penalty. But the man will be a very chance for football. Ghana football, no rich man will bet.
I don't want to banana can. Let's get better to the one. Yes, I come on, come on. Let's get better to Cabot. Not to Mamma mia, Nana, Obaga Dagaka, I mean, we are Dagaka. Oh, no, but born it here. Look here. Oh, Ghana, I keep on coming here to find brought up. Okay, I went. The look in the Ghana, the baby other car. About the baby, I want to be a time.
Ahinkai 93.3 FM Sports Commentary and Mutaho.
What's the planet to a hey, Ghana Rapi, I'm not saying. Richard Bedu, I have not it to do it. There is some carbon and the second player and I have it. Richard Bedu, the carbon, and then a player in the club. Not to love the day, but Fabio Gama. Asante go two. Bafuna makomento ya. Lota rock when make up another. Wama komento ya. Komento ya. Oh, Rafi. The Copatin Adontula. Wama komento ya. Kala pona bata. Give the kala pono. Wama kala bit na continue go more. Because am I confused? Kala pona confused. Am I confused? Don't make me continue go more. Support us in the top one. Support us in the top one. The rock in the can't deny high. Hey, Kara, I can't think of the put there to book. Now, a piano one at the bottom. That's why then I tell you one of them. Bona Babedi, Fabio Gama, Jabana Piano, or the one I come my man Sadabaku. I don't want to call Fabio Gama. I don't want to try to go. I want to play ball. I don't want to play come on. Fabio Gama. Gama, Mano Jaffi. Jaffi Bobano. Jaffi Piabano Bianwa. Kara United Planet to walk. Japan Planet in Giantoka. I Rapid Cup, just the Lago Wanamati. Well, go to Wanamati, Papa, the Copa Dutilla. Go Wanamati. Rapid one of the job again. Then, Sanano, Ashanti Boat. Ashanti Boat. One more so, I don't go to say, you 20. And that's a rapid good one of my star. Ghana rapid. I got like an necessary body. Coffee, Coffee necessary. I want like an answer cover up before the bill of the battle. To me, but I got it right. Ghana football here, they want to cry and can't press. I'm going to be the enemy. That you are going to come support the same family. To be sincere, I think the referee to cover in Terra. Yes, penalties and don't watch it. But we're by 2 goals to 1 billion wrong. From my point of view. But that's you have to take to know, not only on us, I'm going to go side or Karela, why frustrated as a Agenism. I had a question Agenism because what I would do it again. What I would do it again. After Sura Kumasa, I don't support that. After Sura Pabla, you need come up. But can I pray? What a dear after Yamam can pray. Now appear one of the Balatibu. Garana Channel Balacola Slavi. But then I come out. Maybe I'm going to come to Homo Mutia. Omo Mutia, Omo Mudia Koswa. Omo Nabitan for the Diamom. And it's a message on the corner make a boom for me. One of the Quabobo. Let Canada know that Quabobo. One of Quiet King. I'm all blind of Primo. I'm out that Sports commentary. Then I'm going to go to Quabobo. That's the rough reference to Copa Dintula and about the one study. One of the bed. Go to Paris, bed of Piabano. Carafana de Banaco. Para Kodoma Batu. Oma Jama de Masade Calata. Dadeka de Mosai. A ten Alabanaco. A ten Tiabano Kama. Over the rapping about. Now Carafana de Banaco. Go Chaya Flano.
I can't FM commentary with the whole rough.
Now, I want to go to Carolina. I'm not able to copy about the cover. That's what I come community. Well, Rabu is there to a chance for Carolina. Over to a Jamaican and Sudabi. Born I have prepared to a Ganu, Ganu Tabalati. Emmanuel Jaffina Sudabi, Bolatico. Carafana de Banaco. A Piabana Sicava de Balatibu. Ajimambia Ajima Kumia Mata. Ajimambia Piabana Sudabi. There is not to try that too. One of the Atlantic. Asante ko ko na de bwana ko. Abrate ba ko da pam rafi abana bay. Rafi tia pau. Jacopa Aduntira.
Ahinkai 93.3 FM.
Rafi Jacopa Aduntira.
Ahinkai 93.3 FM. Sports commentary. Emutaho.
Ayatire jama Rafi Jacopa Aduntira. Number 41 Chetel Karen United. Abrante Fan Randolph 430. Randolph 430 Ababu. Randolph 430 Ababu.
Ahinkai 93.3 FM. Sports commentary. Emutaho.
Bora Wayatiri. Sura Mura. Now to Moji de Teba Bobona and Senator. Carolina Televaya Takaya. Masua Baku. Masua Buate. Edna. Sansura. Round of Osuja. Round of Welcome. Yabrata Penoma Batula Primo. Oma Batula Primo. Oma Batula Primo. Round of Wataya Babu. Round of Wataya Babu. Round of Wataya Babu. Oma Basu. Asante ko ko soya takra. Francis ande kobe. Francis ande kobe suwa baba mu wante. Na bona ko dia asante ko. Pia bona de bona tibu. Na tuade ba kama. Kama ko bona. Kama pia bona kama. Na para pa de bona. Rawe te pau. Pale tana wate ba tu aso rapi David. Bona pau. Abati akane walako. Tuma tiri wana timu. Da para de wana ko. E pia blate na chuva bla fezi atwasu. Bla fezi ta bona jenese. Ataka afaya sakra. Kala kwa. Masu abwate akwa Bato abwate akwa koi talent la premo. Talent la premo. Bato abwate akwa talent la premo. Bato abwate akwa talent la premo. Kala kwa zakramiru. Na pia bwana de bwana timu. Abato ko mutetia Randolph. E tia Randolph so Randolph tia twasu. Randolph da pom. Ko sa Randolph sa da Rafi. Hey, Rafi ta. Ke Ghana football. Ane papa ko wo wable. Kuwanja tande kola tatra. Imano ja fia frebo. Ama France tande kume abamu. Imano ja fia frebo ande kume na abamu. Bede ya de kobina tuan. Kuwanja tande ko 2. Kumasi Asante ko 2. Carolina United 1. Asante ko 2. Carolina United 1.
Ahinkai 93.3 FM. Sports commentary. Emutaho.
Abi Muhammad Ashabana de Bola Tibu. Asante like you. Steven Balangwana. Wajefa wadiama asante welako. Asana tu na jefa wadiama asante welako. Asante welako asebieru. Asante welako asebieru. Yati akane batimari asana wachilie. Benem da rapper da pita lesiano. Asana wachi. Power about Yakara United. Power about Yakara United. Take it.
Ahinkai 93.3 FM. Sports commentary.
Now, Tsunami. I'm better. Rabbi Sadi Frick. Oh, Jacob Adotula. Jacob Adotula. Oba Gabriel Yade. I had a document for the Yade. I didn't say about it. Jacob Adotula. Hey, referee. Referee, Opia trying to press the cow. Yadoyi. Born on the other. And I can't go over. But the other kind of can't go. Tankona is just one. I want Papa Penabonita. And it's Jody Bobia body ever said. Jody Bobia body ever said. One fetch it, 1-on-1. One about to outward them. Richard Bedu. What 3 lemon tell the cover. What some of your Mujra. Fabio Gama Cocha Watermu. And a color policy that be piano, a woman, that I have to tap it down. Bacomian was someone to go on to Nabi. 4 hours time. Francis and the Kobe. 4-1 F. Sweatman to them. Patrick Kojak's trouble, rather. Kojak's trouble. The pure of a step out. Robert Jaffa. Robert Jaffa.
93.3 FM. Sports commentary.
I can't go to the one. I'm not just 26 jetty. Oh, that's no catcher. Who got that from? Rapid Macatamo. Macatamo and Rapid Wire Confused. Rapid Wire Confused. Just go back to that. Maxwell Hatton. Rapid Ben Maxwell. One and I have photo official. One and a cookie rapid. One Maxwell Hatton. And we start that level. Photo official. I don't control rapid Ben to go back to that. Okay, took that up. Okay, took that up. One of them was three. One of them was three. Now, let's see that material go for Rebecca.
Out there. 93.3 FM. Sports commentary.
The cricket for Obama for a positive for 5 steps for Navy for Soja for woman. I was Jaku. I was telling you. I was a rapid or woman that you're rapid yet. Go over about home. I got a rapid. Adieu.
Ain't FM commentary. Would the whole rough?
Yeah, the Abraham Japan, I got to crack one corner.
Ain't FM commentary. Would the whole rough?
Rafa friend to go back to that. On the day of the Yakura. One of the one of them. Dana, so I want to go. Rafa Japan. California, one and time to Rafa Zetabi. I know I'm moving from my country. But the people on the cover, one attack or a chair for the rest of the but the people on the cover, on the cover. That's not it. But when I did want to go, why would you ever catch on? So, Professor, they did Maxwell Hatton or experience. I said the Copa Duntila. On the paper, the Copa Duntila. The figure the end of the Copa Duntila. Who are taken up? Maxwell Hatton, Court of Fissia. Yaya Jumana did with the Aka. Opio will be at 2 of Yakano. Now a piano on the cover. Okay, I want to do. Patrick Asma. Patrick Odusma. Asma Piabana Dama Oka Fabio Gaba. Gaba Pebono. Abi Mohamed. Mohamed Piabana Bona Zabedi Carolina, Bona Traco. As I go to Fabio Gama. Fabio Gama Chubaku. Gama de Bonaco. Gama Tepraga. Gama Piabana. Adana Saybanako. Rafa Fado Copa de la Rafa Becato. What about Carolina Chapeba could have put it? Rafa said, I'll be a Rafa said, hey! Oh, I mean, that's a Quapro, not one Gaga. At the Quapro Gaga. Rafa, why confused? Why confused? They're for the Timosi. They're for the Timosi. Oh, already. Yet was what about Dr. Ross? I can 93.3. The day they come in, the original one. The commentator, they don't want America. They don't want America. They can't put in the Atewa with Jemia who are one American for the Atewa. They are close to America. Rap, Fisher. That's what happened. First of Fisher. That's what happened. What is the
93.3 FM Sports Commentary.
I'm confused. So far, so good. Who gave it a say?
Miriam, I say, give me the first half, no, yes, good football, but second half, no, drop is there every on the game, second half, no, yeah, you have credit in a moment. Second half, no, drop is in our ball, because, yeah, go on, Omojima, Carella, and Mominio equalizer. Any penalty, Kotokonya, Edinia, second goal now. And Timber go at Carella at the second, and Timber Kotoma almost 8 minutes. Yes, to our game. So, and our penalty, Jama Kotokoya. At the end of the season, no football, ever. Kotokonya, the same body will be a refuge, and no next penalty in the one. But the other controversial, who threw at it. And the refuge, sometimes they say, bring back the laugh. The person for but people get where ever like go to be a now with your map performance. Yeah, but you over 4 line here, the issue of Adeba. It is another day. I don't see any of the first go no 10. Why you so? Because the same thing like Carella, Estena, that's why the edge upside down, such a refuge ever you go now. A different game with Java so the whole game now. The first half good football here, the second half, that's a game better. I say, the refuge sometimes. One normal year, no man for Edward Mosaka way. When you have been out where you say, what's the best to all your refuge now crazy or baby? What's the best? If you give me the second half for it, you wouldn't say the near panel. By refuge, at the call line at Obotum and Omojaba, and Jillian show. I don't know what to be up, and I tell you, what to be up, what to be TV, television too. Now, the Kataka Karama Yamasa Tura, who might just answer to call. I'm not telling you what I'm saying. What about the
Sports Commentary.
What I say, because about ministry, all the number money from Pong, never do one go, and at 3 points in Kobe, what the Kobe Chaka, I can't do it. You cannot be bar.
That's still not going to come. After Tura, the Canada, and Jonas Sopura. Komacha Santa Golo, Carolina Tatu. The man was telling me about the Aquana. Now what happened to Richard Bidden? Richard Bidden of the bottom. Come on. Number 35, September for Carolina Jet. For a good study, Calata, trouble and sit. Calapa to one and take them to. What about the one who come at the Praga? That's why you want to blow up. Rafi, I sound like one and say. I sound like one. Papaya Fano. What about Tijani, the Praga? The man was here and very close to the Yabo Bako. Yabobodum. The Mabiata. Hey, Last time I come and 20 Kurano. At that time for now, my idea. Opia Canocre. Opia Canocre. Now I am on water rock. I the plan again for Africa. What's the ball? I know what. I will come on about our pump. Oh, what about our pump? What I want to say, I want to see. I tell them I want to flow. I don't want to go. As I take on the Papa boy and never turn it out. As I take on the Papa boy, Carolina turns to our ball. Now to run the Papa to kill our already standing game.
Sports commentary.
I'm not deciding game. Kwame Ba, you want to know your platform. Go get back Kwame Ba. Whatever I carry for taking on, as soon as you are. Chabana say I want to see. Gara United. What the corner yana corner. A corner about ya. What a corner. Ya about ya Gara United. What a corner about ya Gara United. Upon the Kent Stadium. The federal of Atlantic, the center of Equator. The day that the covenant original. I can't 3.3 FM. Fantastic commentary by our standard. As I tell you, as I take on the question, Richard Bedu, goalkeeper Richard Bedu. What do you have not tell you, Richard Bedu. What do you have to go play about the if I start my quantopa, I don't want to play on mobile life. I'm going to piano to back at the club. Now, a piano Fabio Gama, Gama Lestic, Gama Jabba Gama, Buona Quacodi, Adama Copiabano, Abata Vero, Patrick Codat, Masma Bobana.
Ahinkai 93.3 FM Sports Commentary. Emutaha.
Richard better Piabano, my 80 September. Jabana de Tenebalasim. That's all. I will say, one minute Sadi Galata. Sadi Galata, Piabano Kama, say, Eba, Fabio Gama, Gama Jabano, Gama Sanabano. One of the Okatoka, Oklahoma. Augusto Graba one of our party. Now, what I pay, Augusto got that in effect. Fabio Gana, and they passed the never through. And Simple Crown Augusto comes to Piazza. That's all. The idea was good. But I didn't
93.3 FM Sports Commentary. Emutaha.
Now, Tarigalata Piazza. I want to go. Now, to the Bajamana President. What I could have started to go. But I should tell you. Tell us what I want to go. Abi Muhammad at the Monaco. Abi Muhammad at the Praga. Part of Gama de Monaco. Now, to the Bajamana President.
Ahinkai FM commentary.
Oh, I got power. Watch the power of the United. Abi Muhammad added an hour about to. Why never pass? And we are bottle. That's love is their power. Why confused? What maybe I had fire over you. Born at that plan would up. And then at the combination one the original. Combination one original.
Ahinkai FM commentary. Emutaha rough.
Born at that plan would up. Dr. Rock, go get back. Whatever on the answer at him. After the year. What I'm taking out body any dial. Whatever the audio run at him. We do the year.
Ahinkai 93.3 FM Sports Commentary. Emutaha.
Drop ball. Whatever I'm people wrap that into that. Buona Babesi, and the Calco, and I'm going to play at the bottom. At the Praga, and the Comet, Comet Praga, but Buona Babesi. Buona Babesi, Fabio Gamma. Gamma, Gamma, the Bonico, Fabio Gamma. Gamma, the Buona Suaga. Rafael Banabe. Rafael de Jumadiana Banabe. Rafael Banabe de Jumadiana Banabe. Rafael Banabe de Jumadiana Banabe. Rafael Pancho Copadintula. The Copadintula. The Cop Adon Terra. The Cop Adon Terra. On the day when the standing game with the camera. Kumasia Santiago go to. Para United and so one. Kala pona nje. Na so yaje ya me play the papa Tasura kata bidio.
Jinane ama para against Kerala United 2 goals to 1 against Kerala. Ama ya dia game na so but right is no go on strong and so much. And then ama game no next what. Now you no do their game na I come apa.
And a brother Tasura kana and a brother Tasura kana. Every I have to papa but that's right before. And ama game na we be here. Rafi to Copa Ditola. What am you on what go be Ghana supported the Bianca, and you can't country them. But I really tell you, what I was out for. I'll go and will be a caveat. The cop added Sarah. Yeah, they didn't come out. So far, so good. So much that take on the cover that I want to cut them. So far, so good. Give them a year.
I think Rusty, the Copa de Terra, I want to walk for 1 to 1 with them. Officiating our football, and my own with the best of quality from the teams, you know. 2 didn't have a fine football. That means, the correct, you know, England here to see him. And then the best, 2 guys in football that officiating, I'm one my own the picture of the team. The rest is not at least, more balancing of the question. Come to the main radio, answer another best.
We answer another best. Another best is indeed. The Cup, Adon Terra, the Cup, Adon Terra, and that year, then. No be able to will be a cannatable. And then Dr. Ross, raise the power. What? Doctor, over to you. Also, more the studios of I can't see what to the face. Also, one of our truckle. Yeah, they didn't come. Yes, some can be an understandable. Not first now. What they are my dear table. That will be a thought to that. So, right now, over to you in the studios.
Okay.
This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. I say this is our own. Let's cherish our own. The Nation League is back again. This is our own. Let's cherish our own.
Okay, did you go see no? Obuasi Lincoln Sports Stadium.
This is our own.
Kumasi Asante Kotoko Metemba bo etenanu mienu. Ama kare nete de timu bako. Nibra ba. We don't got time for you, Grovo. Jimano Jamfi, first goal. And I brought you for DLC Terra Fabio Gamma. And the penalty, Ebeka Honefe, Mienu, Nese, Carrier for Etimuba Kupa. And a Kumase, Asante, Kotoko, and Metema. Amajama 2 point to say Kuche, maybe a Tiokoya mom. They say we're quacking on our sports stadium. Yako was a game, no to be to us, so a nice amount to be on to us. We be a best Cross Sports Stadium, a great Olympics game. No, I feel near Buffy, Kumaka, and be a manatum. Now, so they are getting their banner for Yasako. And Daniel, Pian 1 2 now, she says, a couple Korea. Na ni nkodi nkoma kan fefra kama Sports Stadium ne nhwe de ekokosi esensuo no tote no amutumi boye ana amatumi amono na onfa report no fefo no emfa MIA.
So this is our own. Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Women's Premier League is back again. Since the days of Emmanuel Cortez, we've been there.
Tiegusu Pempia Manatuma, sense of a great Opokuwa. Nodi de Ecosia no diaba, Nemom Kawena Sensus in Yakupoya Duma. A branded day anymore, I in 93.3 FM. The Kukuri and video in the Pemo, a Atim Wenchi. Atim Wenchi. It's Atim Wenchi for Monchayo. Munya krado na monchen da ebrada yeni na ye bana de dwumadi no de abasise so ere ma awoye wanchi market one mo ana dwumadi no ebaba na bibia koyie enso ede amamo na bobo fora manfo ebesese ode ma chi dwumadi ni beba adwuma ye eno so beba wa kwemo sanso na promoto beka se bo beba Jadie kase bo beba na fe bibia ko find the amount enti be mfia phone na we life awo ya wanchi na fe bibia ko ye the amount sambre den saka ayo poko ala o mano so yensan ko ne chen ko je report no die ko si esensu no to wie no to boy na sama to yambo no get opoko ala ba poku ya ensu no to wie no omo to aso na say game na makole no off
Kofi mino ka se kwenso no kwanto wie to na nso no eguso to kakaka nti kofi yada ya ko so ya ni fitre match no nyama so na nti aya ni se nyame adoma ochina anopa be no nkron 9 o'clock anopa pepe na wan game no 45 minutes na aka no ya be bo na nampani for check it is 9 o'clock no amo check park na so no na dia nso ni kakra wo so dia ana on be twe match no e dia for 12 o'clock nti time mienu any everything nyame adom ochina ibe yimba ko na game no atimi aba so dikobi na game no dia da ya ko so ni president nyama so first 45 minutes in there Otukuru as etimi sheka no ba ko a Pando Heart of Lions etimi ante nyame adom ochina second half ni pen ye be 45 minutes pe ye be bo na fe game no ni atimi abewe dikobi ya reso cha se Kotoku betimi amenteni one na say e bia Pando Heart of Lions be back and say bia Kotoku di be count dikobi ya tene na pen for kan say wan nyame adom ochina no get one ensheda nye bibi adie bia be hu bia empany for consider question kan nyame adom ochina ankombe bie free cake na fe na ko bia support the team ya tinanya kwan aba bi hwe bi ko bia nsansi tu say nyame adom ochina omo say anopa no be check park no say nsuo no free park no so dia ene game no be ba so anopa no nkro pepepe na game no tinya ba so na mum so mo check be park no na so na nsuo no tata so kakra dia eno be twa kwanim e dia 12 ano area 12 o'clock na is the game no yetimi abonti acha say start na area 12 dia acha by 1 there and your game in here. And you're starting on a pub 9 o'clock in the day at 10 o'clock. Yeah, but you look at the Pando Heart of Lions for no place in your to Santiago Tramubas, Mamotu, Amuko Hotel, not just on my papa. Amuko baby, Amuko die, and not on my papa, nothing I'm much now. I'm a big book in Kotoku to place in your so I move at the free park. I company for a carabine, supporters Carabia, a train, still in the bathroom. Supporters in the baby, don't want to a coffee, a carabina chain. Na just say so aka no so akofo Canada ba kofu be humi a me wan pese chom a just say me ba fie na just say ma be patali fufu bia say ni ya agro ya
bia be fine bia be fine yeah
na just say bia so atimi abewe
enti boku e bela say oba kene say nyame adoma da kira na de be si achi so yes enti great opoko are na eti nka no enti Kotoku game ni de he calling off Nyankopon adoma da kira ya be san kofa de ka che ni ade ba na bia koye de ama na say na manugu so me ka che na Nyankopon aya adoma Tuesday brother day anymore 29 June 2021 in 93.3 from Joy phone ni na ye kopiemo awaya achim wanchi na ye de dwumadi ne de hyehyɛ so de ama Yes, person sponsor show na so person sponsor ya. And now person bibia person hu bia no. Obetuma first sound ma tu phone bia koye de ama. 0244878763 0244878763 Somebody de yanko na Papa Sly and for report no and for my Accra Sports Stadium de eko see hello Sly.
Hello.
Ya otimika.
Me don kapa.
Olympics game na ko ye.
Oh, bad yatum. Bibia ko na wie ya metuma ka bia nso antini ansi.
Okay na eko see say.
Okay, so far my main say mo bibi akwa ba family ahinkan 93.3 FM so etini aje isi win na ede abos so far so good Ghana Premier League match day 30 at me Abanewe and so the nation when be the game between Great Olympics and Between United and it's me Edibon. He said America said after 90 minutes no only that day omutimi Edem Daddy no it's me in your one goal and no matimi I get 3 match 1 point no EDSM says Great Olympics 1 Between United 0. Now Ocean reaction to me APM after 90 minutes in the there was a brand telephone Maswe Apikwe or no 58 minutes now and to me echo couldn't break of the game I Juma Emma Obian to me and football Antonio at so far and work a manager and so Edma only that day or to me make 2 changes here the dear to me a brand telephone some more happy as you create me every game now and a brand telephone up to Mana Mutasiu it me every 67 minutes. And on Yakonia, ebe will transfer Maswe happy, on also 18 echo cutting every game and a brand for Yakubu Mohammed, also in Yakonia, a part of the game and worker, it me and make it 2 changes in a what me edge 3 match 1 point. Edison says now copy him also Between United, also manager Edma Between United, and a Peneva Kasim Mingle, or no, and a manager Edma Between United, and also 18 echo cutting. And make 2 changes and it me appear brand your friend for appear within 15 minutes now first half nana brand no it me enya injury brand and it with me Emma for appear to me and continue game no a brand wo aduma ano ebimensa ono anything me eko kudi appear for appear a brand nya konya entimi ezege ebia brand ya fa aduna goffet and it me ebe replace na bibia etida calculating godu. And so every game since the second minute and a branch of a list where a man kona so 18 yakuna April so far all of their total yellow cards 4 and it's me April class for the black game no ebany na 30 minutes a branch and abi mensa ono it's me enya first yellow card no and a branch Jermaine Den Haruna so 25 minutes no ono so it's me enya yellow card ya the Great Olympics enya 2 yellow cards answer Bobo Crafton Between United and so it's me enya yellow card Moro Salifu captain on the side no also it's me enya 39 the same a yellow card Sansa Abrante Feno Godfred Adunu also 7 minutes no also it's me enya yellow card ya urimsa obekaya the live 5 games o matini ponya dia Great Olympics o matini ewini back but that was 2015 on Olympics every after that no and the Olympics etini ewini that Between United ewini atoso makoma and then Olympics and so etini a fight dia so monso etini aje 3 match 1 point in area or more eko to Ghana so matini akoko den and the last time muti emi to do a year and as this year no January and as February service and a first league encounter etini eto gabla Between United etini akoko den echi Bobo Kwefeno Great Olympics ebo makamiansa emo Olympics etini etekamba ko do 20 minutes no enya sa first goal and a brand tefeno kunkoni halfies also enya 37 minutes go Edema Bobo Kwaf your friend Between United Moro Salifu and also 84 minutes no timi ebo penalty eto atrem Emma Bobo Kwaf your friend Between United enya 3-1 abrante your friend Chadonsu enya 1 consideration goal Edema Olida didn't so far now and then Olympics etini a fight there at the 3 match 1 point area free Between United so far so good Jumedio Ninja etini up and here the nation will be a class sport television so so Empire and Jase Burubujano a Christian Clacker.
Okay, Slab, that's it. Say about Jumaden and so Ediamae. That's it. Okay. And you know, Sly and I attending Academy fee at Crown Sports Stadium. Nunti the question is a Great Olympics at Watano Bako, Emma Between United, and to me, Ante Carona, and the matches in the say, and a sequel Olympics Yabako, Between United, and to me, Ante Kumasia Santa Kotoko, Airport Canimino, Emma Carolina United, Etimu Baku, Brekum Chelsea Shimino, Elmina Sharks, Ete Karim Bako, Dreams FC, 88 minutes ama se 2 ama 11 wonders enso atimi ba ko wafa ehye miensa ama Diana Stars eti ekanum mienu eno na die fimu ha eba ya cheche mu no ere ama na kare se remain babe so me kancho so pese you ti na ho efe ye pass DJ Fish anan femfem akwa bibia be ko ye di ama na akopiem oya remain na o metwa ti ni di ama to say ye police ni school ni teacher ni ukwo ha o menya botre na ama you ti ni di ama o kama na bibia ko ye enso ere ama no location say the city akema boabo bompa ye junction opposite fitting shop na ben ehona na be hom na akwa you ti na bia ko ye ere ama sanse na betumi akwa akema da Roma Junction near Mr. Sintim's house and also kwa obi hu remain na akwa yuti na bia koye ade amount telephone number ni nie 0552 716777 0552 716777 fra Raymond Babin Saloon na akwa yuti na bia koye and so from asere we ko studio B na ko ni kumotaw yewi na asoro office na DJ Fish ato aso ede amount na bibia enso akofine etini coach Raymond ewo eye hanum sei nti ye kona bibia enso akoye ewo hanum sei Raymond bibia boko de
bibia boko na nso
nyame na dom
akense na bawi
bibia bawi ya kemo dan de nde nsuo ni ti ya calling off yesinya ko pa no ma de china na game no ebe to fem
asemo
na kotoko nso de ama wini se wutie commentary ti
wa
ni tie chofo na ene so
me sha se kotoku de enso on say Odan Sports Stadium ne kama say we enye no enye na asem da nyina
ko kan mo se menka what I say
nzori say munan ya na je say
wo akemo Odan Sports Stadium na say bobo na nsuo to na yentumi bobo na park na da ide de
woni say nsuo no an to be 5 minutes crowd
nsuo se asia na se
I saw ma because say the park net no hwe o hwe
I want perifo kroma na me sometimes they be ma dwuma on tiase
so omnim de ombeso mo twen akosi because we enye nasem he me ka the time even time any old school time
ya den time I was say na e ba ntakwa woni ambre abobo no final game no be say so na fe mo to ase time America to ambre no mo to ase na aye pansa
kotoku ase wad na ka match yen ke expectations ka match ntimi kwawe na ko bia hu final decision is here watna agobai na say
so 45 minutes per na
45 minutes no what's what no tense be ba match no so what tense be ba match no so papa because 45 minutes na o sa no hey live be ye bia say obetimi ageti equalizer na say obetimi ujidi
emfa
okay
kotoku ashe no washa no bibia
na kotoku no asha me metin sharu da ha say
so they ashe no to ashe chira
okay ba oda mpenifo no de we nkon man say bia sports na say omo me sports nkon mpenifo ne okromu ano e say park ndi omo hwe pa no mutimi bibi fa because timi nya possible say nso muna ye bobo bia na say erade bo na de bia e ekoso we ade atoa so enye ne na de we ya start it say mpenifo okromu ano omomodian no mu bibi fa saade hu said be ya e betimi because entimi nya possible e be start and I say bobo ni nso ato be less than 5 minutes ni calling off e ko ba sa pe na ha ha pa face no kuma sa sante koto se bo wa baso
okay
o de utie commentary na any video bi am hu sisi e de to me ni de
e se ref no
what's a commentator in case we decided that ref ni e decided bo na makotoko
so
per commentary no any video me hu see
what the question carry na was the ref na decided am
what video no
there's a video there
the video
say the panel the open o twa kire on
the open o twa kire
side on
the course the aba eye the open o twa yo we editing bi animo
okay
so we share video na one gasa wa beka ana so go what am agent info video ni me kire on
kara
Kofi
hu dey
Kofi mintimi hunya ko chiro mo pese oka
so to dey be kire no
onu hwe bi
what dey na that tell you no so jina so okasa
dabi say boy aye boy say keeper echi player na ya say penalty nti nyamu wan dey
do chene nine na so chene dey
on kan kure no
o dey
boy ni dey tie
say man okasa
minim say ye chi player na penalty but keeper dey catch ni say kan ball no
ni say kan ball no achieve plan na
take ball na ko wa ko for ball na ni say kan ball and what to no na say aka ball no
zero fi na hu ni say
player dey ba we hu ni say o hu ye I want to commentary na
enya fiance na e be twen hu dawre na
waje wie jiri waje ko to kwasha
omukro offense video assistant referee cramp on the board Ronaldo board try line or see ball na ntra
yes
so what I say so me
enye we Ronaldo do
sometimes say ya referees be say no maybe ebefi baby our fever that is one tia feel say okay ma can say I referee anytime ya o nipa say mistakes no you better know sometimes say boy na okasa ultimate mistakes so what I say and there can nipa there ho and because of sin attention way game we can game bia o must say we say we can asem bia o but tension e di match na chi up to a china there no you there you know ha we who petty mistakes don't see a china so that say obi person be lose so that say
na say we
mistakes
I do one ya
there mistakes bet me see a china so that say and ni nyina no enye we nya bibi kase bia o we nya bibi kase bia so what I say we nya bibi kase bia and ahead of game no etoso no and games na wo enim no so no sa na be ye referee or Messi one way e be ko fa e fa say ho buhaha e aba and me enya botre kotoko ni has ye hu bebre okrom ha and enya afiance na ameka say kotoko ejian has jian na so a wa top league no all ko enim for the first time be say yes bi echi no only table no enya na ye be peja sansem no and incident we bebre timi see I don't know timi hu at the frontier eko what coffee up to now to Thursday to Friday December eba me resist you go for coach Mamadi you go for referee Mamadi say kotokoni has game no what pa hwe e chena game no so ba o de wo e chena game no so no o de say get comment to eba ye monitor say game ni ye pa no de yan hwe I don't say game ni de wo ye referee ye hwan nya ba ya
per commentator na me tie ni de na e kire say referee no modern no aka
ankon kan because if you are both sides no both sides
ankon kan o o say aka kakra
anese ankon kan kakra ne say
wa adwuma no ye
commentator na say both sides no ombo pa na so referee na game na gene nsem
okay ya kwabra say ne so sintu ye na me hwe se menya afrefo mienu bia
nti Ghana Premier League so what you say na ye bo so mistakes baby
mistakes bizoma
me say Kofi ena ya chi referee atna hanom ena ye twabo no but ebia your opponent side nso a ono so support has a also ebudu tambi ono so ni de ebi asisi enye se ni de beba bebe asisi ano so ya de man has so ena referee mistakes a ana say bibi says ya na you na me twa no
Kofi asem na ya referee na nya de asem
game way game we akotoko any events Karela eboye e china game so the same thing ni nyina build up to has game no and kotoko game no no
okay kwabna ma me koso afrefo no so na me mfa be makoma nu miensa bi na yen so so me say yen so so nti no ye time no aso wo so betimi abana edi nkomo hello I'm so on shada entimi kame kwa say hello yeah boss but how do you make asafi
for the son of us in the for that
you Francis
mina ya bo abase aduma mo ya wase
okay
na me biko fun ya o saka ha ti saka no de denti so boy ya boko ti mo be ba success be fo ana we fo na bo ha that top on the ya ko bo ase o so let you see my heart to 2 point let be the third man no but on say mistake to one mistake bad ya no kan de say bad ya won kan no mo come
okay even as Francis hello udine bia kasafi
na kasawa
asane yetio
mi mamumone aduma pa moyo nini hao etoda ya go na yidi no etoda nso for no ya na mo so mo ka ho no na we predict menu kana afi di kanisa nso for no o se o tie commentator ne sama o ka o left on e ba so bi o fie bia ne tension for let's yes kalala for but you say let's my commentator no something you wajuma yemu what be fie no na ewo ne wo beka na ewo ne wo ka but some match ne ko na na let's we wanya de because ko no ya so je see obi anka won he and so ne je see ase akọ ko nye by force ase see di league o na league no ya Ethiopia ya di de un ya ji afan ya ni afan
okay
nti ya no na omo ni omo
okay
ya ni so fine ya jekati e ji bi so nche
okay era se on so de wadwen che no e de abalo
hello
boss udini be kasafi
ma do na from ya na ndun kasafi la de
oh me kwan no so on mo ya se mo kwan na se pa empa
ya kwan de yer sin abran de kwan de no
Okay. It's you. Okay, it's you also.
Yo, ya da ko to ko ya se amad 3 points in the amai. And ya panet you, anya panet you, and the 3 points in the area.
Okay.
And I think remember to go about the one at the first half and one at the 3 points in the amai, and Yami Adama or Chana. I don't know one go the account at the 3 points.
Okay. Also, Nyame Antina, hello. Come for last caller, Nelso Akate, Intino, last caller, Brana, Yamfancy, hello. Hello.
Hello.
Would you never Kazafi?
Because I'm Casasa, since I do, we didn't cook something. Do not from us, but not from what I was saying.
Okay, it's you.
But I'm running BB. Has to folk, Yami Adama, and has to folk me by a billy soup. A 10 match here by a billy soup, you know.
They
yes, you know, but then everybody.
I want to die be an answer.
Oh, I no crap, a billy soup.
A year to home.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is there a deep one? Come home. Hello. Pacha, who didn't Kazafi? Last caller.
I did that when I saw.
Oh, I drink down with you.
And you made my journey as my family.
I just so.
The 3rd team was sports.
I didn't so chop. Aye.
Legend so. Now, Kotoko bomb party via Munya Watamoka. I didn't hear as well as the bomb match. One count the Tremwa, yes, Anna, almost dressed. I said, I didn't have a be by I almost see it. Tremwa, Mama, I might comment in a copana.
Yeah.
You were in here.
Yati as the agenda on into Yende and Yende can commentate and the who park and so and Aya Oka. Hello, last caller. Yes, me for now. Fancy. We didn't work as a fee.
We didn't see to you don't have friends.
We are Christian because we check course no sooner as me for meet you.
You and that's it. The kind of rock for your friend was saying, only any party saying, and you quickly back. As you said, the only speaking. Give me a man in the case of that. I am only a return also.
Okay.
The BTBI and the
Meso, Medase, Cobra, Mayana, so continue.
Coffee,
yeah.
Penalty ni won. My son, you be a but me share. I'm saying, a fair a year referee be on now, Obechim cause Bono,
Osha won't yassi,
Mintiasi, Bono, no witchery, and a Carula play on the boy. But me dear. Me nim die kutua bi na mo ha no e che se bon e bo Kumasi Asante ko player ansa na ekokodu sa player no ho
okay
so eno emma bon no enye offside e baba ne se me de madwe na me chiro se baba ne se kotoko player na apasi ball no de ama Karula player no so that say to me no baby ball no when say ball no go straight pass na go straight to ono Karula ni player no ni original e friend say okose goal no na mom obo ball no e ball kotoko player baako before say na e get to Karula player no share goal no I think say that is a clean goal and I'm for between that that's one thing na friend say a linesman and center referee no na communication aye we so you be share
okay auntie you be share na ya share jeje fi kon na ya rebrem na nti Raymond yeko
okay yeko me say born there ya no me ana referee nye say bia ye kase bia ni modemo no ana say bia onim ni oyo but bo bi wo ho no a eje per referee na kase bia no jano na nye say we hu de na eku na so already naba kotoko fe bo wa so ai e be bo ba so o trans house folk nso gina akwa no omo so ye be hwe omo so de ba kosi okay afin so me fancha kese nso nkoma jiwa ni nkwantafo nyina omo ti ahin kan
Johnny for omo jomo
oh massa
na Johnny ga say what you say e den ti na omo jomo ni za
omo ose Johnny na ga say you kru bia eku no omo pe enijie so what I say always no they say okoho enije nkwa say bia enije intita say makro no omo de ho na den atu Johnny no nti say enije ho pa say wo hwe video no Party na hana say career go na.
Eze mo.
Ocha ko para by Beshia. Uncle in Jack is so enkoma o do ni kwanta.
Okay, tinu Raymond atun kan no. Samre de yedimusi na yakona nyakopara dum de chena abasan so ate kana gudie mu nsam de akam ni de aka che na no table no ani ba bi obi ada bia de aba na bibia akoye ede amamedin ede Kofi Ejiri AJ mene kwabena ajenim sponsored any Abrantia Efedo Raymond and afi Daniel Ajeli and so boy great opokuare ekofa commentary ewo Akimo Dance Sports Stadium samere yeko na DJ na no ho ayam fimfim kama fefe Abrantia kama kokko kama no waba to aso de enum bono e de ato aso e de amount DJ Fish samere de over to you.